3, 2, 1.
What Donatello work do historians consider to be a precedent for comics? The answer is C, The Last Judgment in the Sistine Chapel. When was Matt Hoffman Action Sports Park considered one of the best by National Geographic Society? The answer is C, March 2009. Premier League footballer Raheem Sterling was born in which city? The answer is C, Kingston. Which countries have school systems somewhat similar to Northern Ireland? The answer is A, England and Wales. What was the first private sectarian school west of the Mississippi River? The answer is C, Washington University. How many acres is the Narayanhiti Palace? The answer is A, 74. In which century did Celsus suggest that Jesus' father was a Roman soldier? The answer is C, 2nd. In which year was the body installed? The answer is B, 1826. When did Middle Congo become known as French Congo? The answer is A, 1903. Who played Clark Kent, Superman in the 1948 Superman movie? The answer is A, Kirk Allen. What aircraft will be available for use by the U.S. Air Force in 2017? The answer is D, KC-46A Pegasus. Phyllis Primrose Pecci is better known as whom? The answer is D, Fanny Craddock. Along with speed of the modern jet, what else limits target opportunities? The answer is D, altitude. Which former chart-topping British duo reformed in 1999 to record an album entitled Peace? The answer is D, Eurythmics. In what year did a golden bull make the King of Bohemia last among the imperial electors? The answer is B, 1356. What instrument did the violin become confused with? The answer is B, mandolin. Who was the host of the 72nd Academy Awards ceremony held on March 26, 2000? The answer is B, Billy Crystal. Who fired the area developer? The answer is A, John Kane. In what year did Konrad Adenauer first visit the United States? The answer is B, 1954. What are the eukaryotes found in the mitochondria called? The answer is A, the plastome. Who was awarded the 100 meters Olympic gold medal at the Seoul Olympics in 1988 after the disqualification of Ben Johnson? The answer is A, Carl Lewis. In a motoring context, what is the English equivalent of the French périphérique? The answer is C, ring road. What's on the other side of the Hudson from the Bronx? The answer is A, Alpine, Tenafly and Englewood Cliffs. Who is the founder of the Liberal Catholic Church? The answer is C, the Baal Shem Tov. When did the earliest examples of civil disobedience as a whole occur? The answer is C, during the Roman Empire. Preceding brownies. What name is given to the youngest section of the Girl Guiding movement in the UK? The answer is D, rainbows. From what does Darwin assert all pigeons are descended? The answer is A, one species of rock pigeon. Knives, how would you do this? The answer is A, can cut roots if sharp enough. Which detective calls the bank and speaks with Sonny? The answer is C, Eugene Moretti. What is the number of amino acids commonly associated with the mammalian protein?
The answer is D, 20.
How many bathrooms are there?
The answer is D, 78.
What actually caused the plague? The answer is A, bad air. Which is the largest of Britain's national parks? The answer is D, the Cairngorms. What type of creature is the Simurgh from Persian mythology? The answer is A, bird. The sieve of Eratosthenes would not be valid if what were true. The answer is B, if one were considered a prime. On which celebrity quiz are the scores kept by George Dawes? The answer is B, Shooting Stars. What does the runway consist of? The answer is C, 5 legs that form a rectangle. Where did the name liberal come from? The answer is A, in honor of the old Commonwealth Liberal Party. When was the new East Wing destroyed? The answer is C, between 1847 and 1850. What does Strategy Analytics say Windows tablets are lacking? The answer is D, top-tier apps. Who was the Supreme Commander of the Southwest Allied Forces? The answer is C, MacArthur. What were all girls from 1953 to 1979, and thereafter alternating boys and girls? The answer is B, names of tropical storms or hurricanes. What honorary degree did Spielberg receive from Boston University? The answer is B, Doctor of Humane Letters. What is the common name for members of the plant genus Mandragora belonging to the nightshade family? The answer is A, mandrake. What does Sarska know for worldwide? The answer is C, its tiger population. Why did the narrator get a little tipsy? The answer is A, they were mixing pills and drink. Who performed and co-wrote the Thanksgiving song, which revolves around the repetition of the word turkey? The answer is C, Adam Sandler. A two-way distinction in stops was called what? The answer is B, Scylla. What is one thing excessive development causes? The answer is C, therapeutic innovation. Who is Lena Leonard at the beginning of the story?